Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can view the QuickTime Player in your PC, that how you can view the QuickTime Player in your Macbook and how you can use it. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on the launchpad. If you want to open the launchpad through a shortcut key, then simply you need to press the F4 and the launchpad will be open. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on the launchpad, what we need to do, we have to click on the other section. So let's click on the other section. And after clicking on the other section, as you can see, has an option for the QuickTime Player. So we have to click on the QuickTime Player. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will be able to see all the videos and all the 3D formats and all the audios as well. So if you want to play the video, then simply you have to select that video and then you have to hit the space bar. So as you can see, now it's open. Now if you want to play this one, then simply you have to hit the space bar again. You have to select that file and then simply you need to hit the space bar. So as you can see, it's done. So in this way you can use the QuickTime Player. Basically the QuickTime Player is used for playing the videos and audios and pictures as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.